Hey there, and welcome to a quick sneak peek of my brand new product, AI Crypto Profits. If you're looking for a hands-off way to profit from the crypto space, you're going to love what I'm about to show you. This is the AI Crypto News website. It runs automatically, fetching the latest crypto news from top sources every single day. No manual posting, no technical hassles, just fresh content on complete autopilot. I've also set up rotating ads across the site, each containing cloaked affiliate links, so anywhere a visitor clicks, there's a chance for you to earn. Here's one of my favorite offers is CryptoTab, a browser that you can mine Bitcoin with. No expensive hardware needed. Check out my affiliate earnings from it. I've earned around $1,058 just from this one ad alone. And here's another neat way to profit even faster. Flipping the entire site. You can list it on marketplaces like Flippa for a quick sale. I will show you all of this. Super simple things. These are some of my past domain and site sales. Profits can range anywhere from a few $100s to a couple $1,000s. It's a great method to cash out quickly if you want to. So that's a quick preview of AI crypto profits. An easy, passive, and fully automated approach to making money in the crypto niche. If you're ready to replicate my results, just follow the simple steps inside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.